Hello, Heli fanatics. In this video, I'm going to show you how I 3D print some tools to jig my XL Nimbus. And we'll start with this, which I call a swash blade leveler and a swash blade height. What that does with the height is it sets the follower arms here so that they're parallel to the other arm here. Because this arm, this linkage here is fixed. So by setting that, they become parallel. And that sets the height. So I have 3 screws here that I adjust with a caliper. And what that does is it's a way to gauge the height of each screw. In this case, it's 18.89. So that from the reference of the base that it rests on to the top of the head of the screw, the swash blade would be level. And this is just a better than eye level, put it this way. Over here are little guides that extend the arm out. And so that when they go like this with the follower arms, they become parallel. And you snap it on, and I'll show you that here. So this one goes on this side of the arm and just snaps in place like so. And then we'll go ahead and reverse it. Let's see if we can get this over here. Okay, we'll go ahead and reverse it. And we'll put the other one on the arm like so again. All right, they're both on. Let's double check. Yep, they're both on. So if you see how they will move to the gap. I don't know if you can see that gap. You see the 2 gaps right there? See the light in between the space in here? That right there would show me that the arm is level based on how the swash blade sits. So we're going to mount this setup, swash blade leveler and height jig. Make sure it's firmly pushed down on the swash blade. And let's take a look at this arm. Just look at the gap. There's a little visible light, and you can see how the light is diminished and the 2 arms are parallel. Again, let's do that again. Look in there, right between that spacing. You see the 2 light. And that says the overall travel. Now, these follow arms are not needed once you adjust these 3 screws on this swash blade height and leveler. This is only used to set the screws to the proper height. After that, you wouldn't need it. Well, unless you're not sure the accuracy of this again, go ahead and put it back on and double check it. For now, we'll go ahead and continue with the other rest of the build, and I'll show you more of my 3D tools that I've used for adjusting the setup. Thanks for watching.